So building the user service would be required in this case. Okay, so we have an issue. Oh, there's no build script that is being put into the user service. Let me take it from the scheduler service. Let me put the username as test in the properties. This should do the trick. All right. And this is the first time we are pushing the user service to Docker, so it might take some time. Okay, and meanwhile, if we take a look at the Maven configuration, oh sorry, the Kubernetes YAML configuration for the user service, let me just do a nano on the user service. So you got the Hazelcast on the 212 server with the JDBC running on 206. Also, I need to prepare the Nginx files for this. So I'll just take the current Nginx file and update it to have the user service. And user service endpoint into it. So this would, I just have to copy paste this and add it to the end of this list. All right, so this has to be a user service. And the port would be 10,002. This would go as user. Again, this would be user service. And this would go as 10,012 on the actuator. Now, let me save this and exit. Meanwhile, I'll check what's the status. So the user service has been pushed to the Docker Hub. So let me apply the user service YAML, created. Okay, get all. So it seems the container is being created, and once it goes into the running mode, so let me just do the log. Let me take a look at the log of the user service. Running in the default mode. Okay. You got Spring scanning, starting the servlet. Also, since this is connected to the server, we can do an htop in here. Okay. Initializing the factory and total users loaded 41. This seems to be running as it has connected itself to the Hazelcast server. So we are just waiting. I'm just waiting for it to get started. Starting servlet. Okay, so it has started. Let me go into the pod and do a curl on the URL. Okay, so the health probably might give us a response. Hope, yeah. And let me run the get command for a user. Curl and load a user. So this seems to be working. Now let me apply the Nginx. Oh, okay, so it has been configured. So let me try to run the commands on this machine, do a curl, and this would be do 192.168.206. Failed to connect. Oh wait, it should be dot 29. Okay, so it is able to load a user. And let me also run the actuator. Yep, that is running as well. So we have deployed a user service, and let me check this on the lens. So we have created a user service, started the container user service, and we have 3 pods that are running. Mm, Still, it's not giving the cluster information. Sometimes it works, it doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't. Go to config map. Can I make change? Oh, I can make a change from here as well. That's good. That's good. And as you can see, it has a replica set where 2 pods are running for the deployment. That's it for this video. Thanks.